Hey guys, it's Jay,
This is Elle.
and we're doing a Lego,
Destruction video.
No, it's a Lego alarm clock destruction video.
Yeah.
All right, look, put that down. I want to show them good stuff. So this thing is obviously still works. It'd be 353. Lights up when you hit that top of the head. Okay.
Boom.
So Logan's gonna be going first on this guy,
Wait,
and then
let's pop him right in the head. Show him what's good.
and then this one isn't actually working. So I'm gonna
If
do
it
that
does
one
work,
after.
I'm having it.
Okay. Yep.
Alright.
Okay, Logie Pogie.
Let's just
Grab some stuff. Oh crap. Oh, let's move this one out of the way.
Where'd that one big brick go? Hey, Mr. B.
So this is the exact same spot we just did that first one, the first destruction video. So be happy.
Let's just flat.
Ooh.
Oh.
So I've used this one before I got my new alarm clock. So I used that for actually like 2 years. So.
I'm trying to find a brick. A big brick.
Ow.
Ah. Ah. Oh, there it is. Hey, catch.
Miss.
I know. I found the brick.
Nice.
Which helps that there's no stuff on it again. Alright.
Oh, there's the big boy brick.
Big boy brick. Ow.
Oh.
I mean, there's scratches. But
All right, let's look at it.
major.
Let's look at her.
There's nothing major.
Ah, there's a little scratch.
All right.
It's still telling time. Let's go.
Alright, I needed to catch it. Hey. Catch. He barely rolled out of there.
All right, look at his foot.
Ah, he broke his
Hold
foot.
on, I gotta zoom out. Let me show it. Yeah, look, his foot's.
He's gonna need it fast.
But it's still telling time. Holy crap.
Alright, we're gonna go full on slam.
I didn't see anything.
I clipped him. I didn't do crap. Oh,
Really?
I did. I broke
Oh,
his toe.
look at that. Hey, don't hey. Leave it up to the brick.
Yeah, just leave it up. I'm gonna try.
Dude, I put up my leg because I was so scared.
Oh, my God. Alright, let's try this again.
Oh my god.
Third time's the charm, guys. Alright. Let's hope that third time's the charm.
Oh, I heard that one.
That was wow.
It's still telling time. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna hit it right where it's telling time.
No.
I'm gonna try.
And then we'll see if it lights up. Ooh. Is it still?
Bro, it's gone.
Oh god. Let's see that.
Bro, there's stuff coming. Oh my god.
Ooh, let's see that front again.
Bro, that thing's gone.
Yeah. Let's see
Look
if it
at
lights
that.
up. Let's see if it lights up.
It's gone.
Nothing.
Bobblehead. Well, the brick did some work. I should have kept it.
Ooh. I thought I saw something fly off at that time.
Wait, listen.
Oh yeah. Probably the lights. Oh, he's pulling.
Batteries.
Batteries not included. Hey, those batteries are still good.
You want to try getting them out?
Give me that shit. Oh.
A little bit.
Okay, guys. So it
Let's
is
break it
screwed on. There's 2 batteries in there, so I want those.
And I'm not going to try breaking them.
Unlike when we did the phones.
Batteries are still back there, I bet.
Probably.
Alright. Ah! Should probably like.
Your focus just went whack. Dude, your focus is whack right now. Or maybe it's the screen. Hold on.
I'm getting it.
Ah! There it goes. Focused.
I need like. This broke? Are you kidding? I need a better stick. Oh, I'm prying it.
Nice.
I got it.
Nice, Logan. There was a freaking screw in that too.
Pop that screw.
Hello,
It's
darkness,
still in there.
my old friend.
Still in there.
Oh, the screw's still in there. Never mind.
Yeah.
But we can get the batteries.
I hope. Hey, you want to get them?
No, no. Let's frick 'em.
Forget them?
Yeah. You can't get them out, dude. We're not gonna spend the whole video trying to get them out.
Alright. I'm going to try hitting them from the side. So maybe if I do that, I can like try it and get the batteries. Can you please stay on your side?
Those cicadas. Oh, we saw a cicada. And I freaking touched it with a stick and it flew away and I went, ah! And I ran away. Dude! Oh! No! Oh!
I decapitated him. Where did his head even go? Well, where did his head go?
Dude. That was insane. Dude, where'd that head go?
The head flew. What?
Okay. Okay, guys, we have to move our station because the guy told us to. Basically, he said that's not the park, so going out to the basketball court.
Oh, remember when we made this video? This is too open.
No one cares.
Wait, the battery shot. The batteries are gone.
Dude, what?
The batteries are gone.
Holy crap, this is the backside, guys. Okay, I'm backing up now.
Well, there goes the rest of his head.
There goes his neck.
Boom, boom. All right, guys, let's fight. Oh. I'm sorry. Where does ours go? Oh, here's the batteries.
Oh, battery's not included. Are they good? Are they hot?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna keep those.
All right, we're gonna do some like.
Put them here for later.
I haven't played basketball in forever.
Dude, the guy's right there. You sink that? You sink that? Yeah, guys, I was so scared of that cicada. Because it started flying at me and then it flew away. Dude, this guy must be like suspicious right now. He's probably thinking we're like bad boys. Is it good?
No.
Can you see the time?
No.
Dude, how does that guy like not even care? Dude, that guy's right there. I know. He like doesn't even care. Alright, are you done with yours? It's already been 8 minutes.
All right, you can do it.
Alright.
This is Josh trying to get a box open.
Yeah.
Unboxing video in one. Destroy video unboxing one. There's a guy over there.
Okay. Oh, there's a freaking cord.
Just rip it. Gosh dang, bro. He's had anger.
Okay. Hit pause.
Alright, we're live.
Okay. I just got the thing to start.
See, there's already a scratch. Yeah, there's scratches. Wow, Josh. You're amazing.
What?
It's not a bedtime. Do some basketball stuff.
Oh. That nose.
No, they didn't see it. They didn't see it.
Oh, they didn't?
Look at this dude's nose.
Oh, it still lights up, by the way.
Yay.
Oh, well, not yet. No, it doesn't.
Oh.
Nope.
Psych. He flies.
Banana.
Do that again. That was fun.
The other one was like fucking hole from Ninjago, and this is Batman.
Well, no dip.
Oh, that did nothing.
I thought it was going to the hoop. Oh my god, bro, you cracked his freaking mask.
You are ready to meet your maker.
No, hi, buddy. Bro, it's tape.
Oh, it's torn. A little bit.
You good?
Okay, I wish I had a pulverizing stick.
And he's gone. I am Batman. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh my god.
Jackhammer.
Okay, hold up, let me move it. Prepare to
Watch
be
out, Nick.
astonished.
Logan?
What? Oh.
Did a little bit.
And
Suck it.
first try. First try. First try.
I'm keeping this.
I want it.
Keep that.
I'm happy. Wait, perfect basketball, bro.